Good morning, everybody. This is Rob Moffett. This is just a test of an inexpensive $39 used Canon ELPH 300 I bought online to see how the audio and video was. Apparently, there's a defect. There must be the autofocus is the problem. It keeps making clicking noise, but I was very surprised at how good the video quality was, and other than the clicking, the audio was excellent too. I'm kind of surprised. If you can find one of these that doesn't have this defect, you might have a very inexpensive, good camera for making daily YouTube videos.
Hey YouTubers, good morning. I'm using a new camera this morning. Both of my old standbys, my Canon S100s that I bought refurbished about 6 years ago, they're both broke and I need to repair them. In the meantime, I've been trying different cameras. I got a really inexpensive used Canon ELPH 300 HS. They couldn't add more letters to it, I guess. But that's what I'm using right now. So this is the first experiment with my new camera. What we're doing this morning is showing you what I have every morning for breakfast. I make myself a little shake with the most important ingredient is the dried blueberries that I add to this large container of water and let it soak overnight. And I also add a teaspoon of fiber and a spoonful of protein powder and a tiny little, like, eighth of a teaspoon of amla powder. Let it sit overnight, and then the most important thing, I use the immersion blender. When I'm done, I have a nice foamy little shake. It's just water, blueberries, and a little bit of amla powder and fiber and protein powder. It makes a really good shake to start the morning. Blueberries are so good for you. And by using the dried berries, it's inexpensive. I buy 2 boxes at a time. And then I also have a nice breakfast of oats with fruit and nuts and seeds and berries. And it's a good way to start the breakfast in the morning, start the day off. Alright guys, hope the camera's working. This is an experiment. We're seeing how the audio works on the camera. I was hearing a little click when it was focusing. That might not be good. Might have to reduce it out of an Audacity in the program or something. I'm talking to myself. You're not really interested. I like all my videos. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Put new stuff on every week. And this was just an experiment. I'll be repairing these as soon as I can. I repaired the screen on one of them, but now I got to repair the lens. There's good videos how to do that on YouTube. I've heard YouTube is a good place. All right, guys. See you later.